So, andito tayo sa Azure Maui Building to check a new foreclosed condo unit. But before that, please subscribe to our YouTube channel at Foreclose Hub. So, let's go and check this out. So, this is the unit. Maui Building. So, pagpasok natin, bathroom niya. Very spacious. And then kitchen and dining area. So this is approximately 48 square meters, and regular price nito is around 5.9 million. Discounted price is around 5 million. So this is the bedroom 1. May access siya dito sa balcony. Actually, wrap around balcony siya. Mula dun sa kabilang dulo hanggang dito siya. And yan ang view niya. City view. This unit comes with a parking space. Basement 1 lang po ang parking natin. Kitchen niya, cooktop, range hood, and then ito yung second bedroom. May built-in cabinets din, and then meron din siyang access to the balcony. So doon tayo galing kanina. So this is available in cash or at least 20% spot down payment and then 80% balance bank financing plus taxes and fees. This is as is where is upon turnover. So all the movables inside this unit are included in the sale. Yung mga mattress na yan, bed frame, chairs and tables, including the ref, kasama na po lahat yan. And as you can see, pati yung mga chandelier na yan, lahat ng movables. And as you can see, medyo madumi lang yung unit. But overall, livable naman yung status niya and konting linis lang. Location po natin, Parañaque City, along West Service Road. Tabi lang po tayo ng SM City Bicutan. Malapit na rin po tayo sa may Makati, BGC, and sa Alabang. So again, if you are interested to make an offer and schedule a property showing, please message us directly.